Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to add business address on Facebook page. Today's many people using Facebook page for their business. If you would like to add the business address on your Facebook page, how can you do this? Let's learn how you can set up this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. First you have to log in with your Facebook page. Then you have to go to About. In the About section, you have to click on the Contact and Basic Info. Here you have to click on Add your address. Then you have to enter your address. Then you have to click on the Save. If you would like to edit the address, so you can just click on this and edit address. In the map section, you can exactly choose on your location. Then you have to click on save. That's it. So in this way, you can add or change the address on your Facebook page. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.